Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Bihani, and in this mathematics session we are going to see two formulae that generally used to find the distance, and one called the distance formula which gives the distance between 2 points, and other called as perpendicular distance formula which gives distance between a point and a line. We'll also take a special case, distance between two parallel lines. But first we will see how to find distance between 2 points if we know their coordinates. And for that purpose we suppose one is that point ax1 y1 and other is that point bx2 y2. Then we know the distance AB, which is also called as length AB, is nothing but this distance. And that distance, if suppose denoted by d, then it is the distance formula d equal to, which is length AB equal to, and it is given by square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. It is at same as square root of x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. How this change in x1 minus x2 to x2 minus x1 same? It is because we know x1 minus x2 and x2 minus x1, they are not equal, but their squares are equal. These two brackets squares are always equal. So this gives distance between 2 points if we know their coordinates. It is used in two-dimensional geometry where we have x and y axis for the reference. Now we will deal with perpendicular distance formula. Perpendicular distance formula gives distance between a point and a line. For that purpose we should know coordinates of point and equation of line. Suppose we have such line. Suppose that line is denoted by L, and suppose its equation is like this: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Do you know this is called as general form of equation of line? So this is the general equation of line, and suppose we have some point there A with such coordinate x1 y1. Now what is the perpendicular distance here? We that required for the purpose to draw such perpendicular. Suppose AM is drawn perpendicular, then point M is called as foot of perpendicular. So what is foot of perpendicular? It is the point of intersection of that perpendicular drawn from a point to a line. Now we come to the formula called perpendicular distance formula. If it is this situation, from this point with coordinate x1 y1 to this line with its general equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then that perpendicular distance, suppose denoted by d, and then it is that perpendicular distance is given by mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon square root of this a square plus b square. It is called perpendicular distance formula that gives the distance between a point whose coordinates are known to a line whose equation is given in this format. Now we will take one particular case, that is the distance between two parallel lines. Suppose we have such two lines parallel. Suppose one is line U and other is line V. Do you remember, if two lines are parallel then their slopes are equal? Similarly, if two lines are parallel, then in their equations we can have only constant term different. For example, one line is suppose having such equation ax plus by plus c dash equal to 0, and other line ax plus by plus c dash equal to 0. So can you observe, coefficient of x and y, they are same, a and b they are. Now distance between these two parallel line is nothing but such distance pm, which is a perpendicular distance. From M, draw the perpendicular to other line, so pm. That distance pm is given by mod of c dash minus c double dash divided by square root of a square plus b square. So it is nothing but we require to get such kind of formula to use for finding distance between two parallel lines, provided that if we know their equation in this format. So that is the small information about the distance formula and perpendicular distance formula. If you like this video, share with your maximum friends and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks.